at Roboprenr. The game I have created is called Ping Pong. I shall show you now how it works. The way the game works is I use my mouse to control how the paddle so I can knock the ball back and forth, and I have an enemy. Whenever my score reaches to 32, it shows a sign that I win. But whenever my opponent gets to the score 32, I lose. Now I shall show you the game. So now I am starting the game right here. As you can see, the ball is going and I am hitting the ball. When I get 32 points, I will win the game. But if my opponent also gets 32 points, he will win. As you can see, my opponent got 32 points, so I lost. Thank you.